hair products I'll be using.
Hey guys, if this is your first time here, my name is Taisha. Nice to meet you. Today I'll be doing medium twist. Listen, I need to do my hair and I'm tired of that. So I'll do it in like a protective hairstyle. It's gonna take me a long time. 7:30 p.m. By the way, my hair is not washed. I will just do the twist. It will last me like 2 to 3 weeks. So let's begin. So I will actually... Okay, let me open my hair first. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, by the way, I will be putting this, a towel. So as you guys can see, my hair is out of the place and it's like, child, something need to be done because this ain't it. You feel me? I don't use this that much. I just use my hand for the most part. And my scalp is very sensitive, so I don't be pulling hard, If you can just use it and feel fine, then go for it, sis. But me, nah, it will be a combination of both. So I will just tie the upper part. Okay, so right now I just finished parting the first part of my hair. I will start by using this and I will just part the hair. Like I say, I will make them medium. I'm not gonna do small because it's gonna take so much time. So I'm just gonna comb my hair. I will also use this one, also helps. I will tie the rest. And the first thing that I'll be using, yes, red one. I'll be using my edges brush to kind of brush. I'm not gonna do it using my whole hair. I'm just gonna do it, at my root. I'll just twist it a little bit. I'll use this, but the issue that I have with this elastic, the quality is horrific. It's horrible, but they didn't have other ones. They only sell these types, so I didn't have a choice. But if you can buy a better one, then go for it. I do not want to use the brown ones, so I will go for the black one. I will use 2 because only one is just not gonna help. I do it tight. Next up, I will go with my water bottle. So I will just wet the end a little bit, the curly cream. Just a little bit. I really like this one. It's the S curl, no drip. This. And I will start twisting. I will curl the ends just with my fingers. One done. A lot more to go. I think I will choose this one. So I will leave one out. To make it a little different, I will leave one out. But I will just put it in here so it don't get mixed up in the rest of the hair. And then I'll just take this one out, and this is how it looks. I will do one on this side. I will leave this one out, so I will just put it in here so it will get mixed up. Now I will move to the second row. Let's do this. Now we're gonna go to row 3. I'm gonna go to the 4th row. I'm parting my hair in half and I will do this side first and then this side. It's about time. I've been doing my hair for hours. This is the last piece for this side. As y'all can see, this side is done in hours. And hours, and hours. The last one. Yes, I'm super happy because this is the last piece of hair. Look at how much hair I pulled out. Yes guys, this is the end result. This is how my hair is looking. So you can do different hairstyles, make it cute or whatever. Let's see how late or how long I took on this. It's 10:29. So that means I spent over 3 hours on this hair. And like I already said, I did leave some loose hair. And you can do different hairstyles. You can tie it up in a bun, you can just put it half up, half down, the way you like it. Trust me, this hairstyle is good. You don't have to do your hair every day, honestly. You can just do your edges, or if you don't want to do your edges, that's also fine. And you can just get out and do what you gotta do. Yeah, I like it, honestly. I'm gonna try to show you the back, but I don't know. Let me show you the other side. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you all the best. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao!